Amen? I will ask you something. Sometimes have you felt forgotten? Parang hindi, parang mag-iibay talaga ito ano? Parang manhid na tayo. Or we sometimes, or you feel shaken for our life's trials?
Yes.
Or just to ignore? Ganun na lang ba tayo? Of course. Hindi lahat, no? Kailangan nating aminin sa sarili natin na we are limited. Amen? Let's be honest, mga kapatid. Many times we put our trust in people. Tama? Mali. We say to ourselves, this person will always be there for me. He won't let me down or she won't let me down. I know this person will always support me and stand by me. Amen? So every time, lagi nilang ganun ang naiisip natin minsan. Diba? Itong tao na to, matindi to, dito ako kakakapit, dito ako kay Brad Ray dahil marunong to. Diba? But remember, no, meron tayong limit. We are limited only. Other times, we put our security in money. Amen? Especially here. Diba? So sa mga we received our salary, no, we think that as long as I have savings, I am safe. Diba? Lagi natin sinasabi na ganun. Or as long as I have money, I can handle anything. I remember my boss, no? He is a billionaire, one of the billionaire men in all over the world. But he died. Then the question, where is his money now? Nothing. Diba? And then there are times when we depend on our strength, skills, and our intelligence. Mga kapatid, we tell ourselves, I can handle this. I am strong enough. Ganun ba tayo? I don't need help. I can do this on my own. Diba? I get this under control. Nothing can stop me. Kaya ko to. Ganun ba tayo? Ha? If I want it, I'll get it. Diba? I don't need to pray. I can manage by myself. Sometimes, ganun ang tao. Realidad. But remember, sooner or later, we reach out our limit. Diba? You get tired, we get breakdown, and realize we are not as strong as we thought. Because why? We have limited time. We have limited resources. We have limited knowledge. Kaya mga kapatid, limitado, totoo po yun eh. Limitado ang oras natin, yung kakayahan natin, maging yung isipan natin limitado. Hindi natin kayang lahat. Di ba? At in the end, all of these people, money, and even our abilities can fail us. Naniniwala po ba tayo doon? Sa mga lakas natin, minsan nawawala na po yan. Di ba? Why? Because we are lacking. We are insufficient. Don't get me wrong, mga kapatid. But this is true. Ito po yung totoo na nangyayari, no? Pero, wag po tayong mag-alala. There is one and only who never fails us. Amen? Only the Lord. Amen. He is the rock that never waves. He is the rock that never cracks. He is never rock that crumbles. He is never the rock abandon us. He is the rock that never fails us. This is our God. Amen. Please tell to your seatmate, this is my God. This is our God. Amen?
Amen.